Hey, home cooks, ready to bring a taste of Yucatan to your kitchen? Today, I'm sharing a mouth-watering Cochinita Pibil recipe that's sure to impress. This slow-roasted pork dish is marinated in citrus and achiote, then wrapped in banana leaves for a unique, earthy flavor. Let's dive in. First, let's prep our marinade. In a blender, combine 1/2 cup achiote paste, 1/2 cup orange juice, 1/4 cup lime juice, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon salt. Blend until smooth. Now grab 3 to 4 pounds of pork shoulder or pork butt. Cut it into large chunks and place them in a bowl or resealable bag. Pour that vibrant marinade over the pork, making sure every piece is well coated. Cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better for maximum flavor. Next, let's get our cooking vessel ready. Line a roasting pan or Dutch oven with banana leaves, letting the excess drape over the sides. No banana leaves? No problem. You can use foil later. Place the marinated pork into the lined pan, pouring any leftover marinade on top. Add a generous layer of onion rings over the pork. Fold the banana leaves over the pork to seal it, and cover the pan tightly with foil. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and roast the pork for 3 to 4 hours until it's fall-apart tender. Check occasionally to make sure it's not drying out. Add a splash of water or stock if needed. Once cooked, shred the pork with 2 forks, mixing it with the delicious juices in the pan. Serve this succulent Cochinita Pibil with warm corn tortillas and pickled red onions for an authentic touch. Pair it with black beans, white rice, or fresh salsa. For an extra kick, drizzle some habanero sauce or squeeze fresh lime juice on top. If you can't find sour oranges, just mix equal parts orange and lime juice. Want an easier method? Use a slow cooker on low for 8, 10 hours or high for 5, 6 hours. Enjoy this vibrant dish that brings the bold, citrusy flavors of Yucatan straight to your table. Happy cooking!